Hello and welcome to another episode of mobilestechland.com. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use two WhatsApp accounts on your Samsung phone. So without waiting, let's start the video. Samsung phones come with a native feature of dual messenger that lets users use two instances of the same app. So step 1 would be to install WhatsApp on your phone, set up your first account. Step 2 would be to open phone settings and go to advanced followed by dual messenger. And then enable the toggle next to WhatsApp. A pop-up will appear confirming you about the installation of the second WhatsApp, and then tap on install. You will be asked if you want to use a separate contact lists for the second WhatsApp. Turn on the toggle if the answer is yes and select the contacts. Otherwise, tap on next. Wait for your phone to install the second copy of the app. Open the app drawer and you will find the newly installed WhatsApp on your phone. The second WhatsApp will have the dual messenger symbol on them to differentiate between the two apps. Set up your account on the second WhatsApp and you are good to go. So that was pretty much it for today. I hope this video helped. If this video helped, don't forget to hit the like button, comment, share and subscribe for more videos, and I will see you in the next one.